Welcome the our channel. Today we how to start selling products on Etsy, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by researching the types of products you want to sell on Etsy. Identify your niche by examining current trends and customer interests. Consider your skills and hobbies to find a unique product idea. Source materials or create original designs for your products. Set up your workspace to facilitate production and organization. Create a business plan outlining your goals, target market, and pricing strategy. Sign up for an Etsy seller account by visiting the Etsy website. Fill out your profile with relevant information about you and your shop. Choose a memorable shop name that reflects your brand. Upload a clear profile picture and shop banner to enhance your visual appeal. Create attractive product listings by writing compelling descriptions. Use high-quality images to showcase your products from multiple angles. Research and implement effective keywords for search optimization. Determine your pricing strategy considering material costs, labor, and market rates. Set your shipping options, including costs and delivery times. Consider offering free shipping to attract more customers. Decide on your shop policies, including refunds, exchanges, and processing times. Promote your shop on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Engage with potential customers by responding to inquiries promptly. Celebrate your first sales and gather feedback for future improvement. Continuously assess your product offerings and adapt to trends. Stay informed about Etsy's policies and updates that may affect your shop. Network with other sellers for support and inspiration. Monitor your shop's performance regularly to identify areas for growth. Reinvest profits into your business for better materials or marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.